In Vericut 9.2, optimize your programs by setting a target chip thickness and any combination of force limits, including maximum force, maximum power, and maximum tool deflection. The bright green color in graphs highlights where optimizing increased feed rates to achieve target chip thickness and reduce NC program runtimes. Red highlights feed rates reduced to avoid exceeding set limits, thereby avoiding undesirable or potentially unsafe machining conditions. OptiPath has a new Learn mode, which enables users to choose how aggressively to learn from current cutting results. Vericut learns from cutting conditions encountered during the simulation and automatically configures tools for optimization. Learn from results in graphs can send force or OptiPath optimization settings, or change optimization strategies for corresponding cutters. This gives users the ability to use graphs to visualize cutting conditions and choose specific optimization values that will provide optimal results. For more information on optimization options, see the Vericut help.